Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, sending XRP from your Arculus wallet to Robinhood is a smart move for managing your assets. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it quickly and securely. Whether you're new to this or just need a refresher, let's get started. First, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need the Arculus wallet app installed on your phone or device, a verified Robinhood account that supports XRP, and some XRP in your Arculus wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the latest app versions to avoid any compatibility issues in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Step 1. Open the Arculus wallet app and log in with your secure credentials, like your PIN or biometric authentication. This keeps your funds safe. Step 2. Once inside, navigate to your XRP balance. Look for the Send or Transfer option. It's usually right there in your dashboard. Step 3. Enter the recipient's wallet address. For Robinhood, head over to your Robinhood app first, go to the crypto section, and copy your XRP deposit address. Paste it carefully into the Arculus app to avoid any mistakes. Step 4. Specify the amount of XRP you want to send. Be mindful of any minimum transfer limits and transaction fees, which are typically low for XRP but can vary. Step 5. Review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the network, the XRP ledger, the amount, and the fees. Once you're sure, hit confirm and authorize the transaction. After that, sit tight. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the XRP to show up in your Robinhood account, depending on network traffic. Always keep an eye on your transaction status using blockchain explorers. A few quick tips. Never share your private keys, always use official apps, and if you're unsure, start with a small test transfer. Crypto can be risky, so stay vigilant. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.